I know. I know, Isaac. Isaac. It was you on my back, Isaac. It was you, Isaac, on my back. You're good, Isaac. You are a good Isaac. Your wife's on the ground. Well, guess what? You're going up the top again. At some point, the demolition derby's going to come in here. All the others have got a new cage. So you're going back to the top. You're going to lose some. You're going to lose some space. I'm sorry about that. But you'll gain other things. You'll get more sun. And you'll get away from the rats. Okay? I know, darling. I know. Alright, alright. Alright, Isaac. Alright, okay. I'll bring you up soon, okay? Alright? Alright,